But the best deal in the entire thing is the kit, and is to join. And if you join, you get an additional $50 in product. So it's usually $125 worth of product for $99. And right now it is $175 worth of product for $99. Or we have two options this time. You get $175 worth of product plus the awesome craft and carry tote and for $129. And you get to join my team. And I would love, we're growing, and I would love to have more people in my team. And I just wanted to show off. So I have a, come on, there we go. Let's bring this over. I have a team website for just my Crafty Stampin' crew that I use to help train as well as communicate, because I hate when I hear demonstrators say that they don't know what's going on. And so we have a weekly, what I call crew chats, where we every week we meet on Facebook, and I run down everything that is going on in the Stampin' Up! World. And then I repost this on the website. Just there are a few people who amazingly are not on Facebook. So I offer them that, as well as my Stamp Club. They have access to my Stamp Club website as well, which has over 300 tutorials. So that allows anyone in my downline, they're up and running kind of in no time in being able to host a party or do a workshop, because they have tutorials to create products from. So those are just a few of the little perks of being part of the Crafty Stampin' crew. And so if anyone is interested, you can go to craftystampin.com, send me an email, Linda at Crafty Stampin', and I would love to answer any questions that there are.